Okay, Mike, Todd again with the second video. I'm gonna just measure the spring so that you can see that I've got it set at 0 preload, or I say 0. It's got a tiny bit of preload in it, just 2 turns from where the collar contacts the bottom of the spring with no load on it. And it's about 6 and 15/16, which works out really close to the 6.9 inches I think that you told me. And then here's the bottom. And again, I loosened this collar, screwed it until the cup came completely off, and then turned it 5 revolutions, which I believe put it 5 threads, into the cup, which is 1/2 inch. And so the previous video showed you that the ride height is not high enough, and it's maxed out. The adjustment is maxed out unless I crank this up. And it takes 18 turns. That collar has to come all the way up to about here before I get the right ride height on the pinch weld. So I greatly appreciate any advice you can give me. And even that, I will say that when I put this all the way up to here, I still don't get the correct droop. I'm still getting over 2 inches of droop, and I think you're looking for 1.6 maximum. So to me, this does not seem like the right shock. If I use the Feal setup guide and try to get the ride height right on this car and the preload, not cranked up, it doesn't seem to be the right shock for this car. Really, it seems like all I need is a longer cup. At least that would, if the cup was taller, that would give me enough ride height. If it was, gosh, I don't know, another inch or so, 2 inches maybe, to give even more adjustment room. But if it was taller, that would give me the adjustment range I would need for ride height. Now, I don't reckon that would, affect the droop. It seems like to me the droop you guys are talking about would require a shorter spring. So I don't know enough about coilovers to know what droop affects and that kind of thing. It's got a ton of droop the way I calculated it, and boy, if I did something wrong, I sure would appreciate it if you'd let me know. Thanks.